Today I'm going to show you how to avoid making a big makeup mistake when you apply your false lashes. If you put them on the wrong way, you can look 10 years older, and if you put them on the right way, you can look 10 years younger. Wearing false eyelashes is perfect for mature women, and they're a really great quick fix to a problem that many of us have, thinning eyelashes. And many women are discouraged from wearing eyelashes because they can look really silly if you apply them wrong. And once you know how to put them on in the right place and get the right uplifting look, you are going to love them. Today I'm going to demonstrate using the Ardel natural lashes, and these are really inexpensive. I'll leave a link where you can buy them, but they look great and they're very natural. And I'm going to show you how to put them on the wrong way first, and you're going to see what happens to my eyes. You just peel them off the little pack here like this, and you can apply glue to this part. And you leave it for a little while until the glue gets a little bit tacky, and then you'll apply it to your eye. You can see the shape of the eyelash, and one part of the eyelash end is longer and the other part is shorter. So you'd put the longer end towards the outside of your eye, and you'd put the shorter end towards the inside of your eye. And there you go, that's me with a false eyelash. And what can you notice? What's happened is it's drawing my eye downwards, and my eye looks really heavy. And the reason is because I've put the end of the lash all the way to the end of my natural eyelashes. And because my eyes are going downwards, and if you've got droopy eyes or hooded eyes, your eyes are going to fall down with the weight of all this lash at the end of your eyelash. So this doesn't look good. I'm going to put the other eye on so I can show you a really good comparison. Okay, so the problem here is that the eyelashes look not right on my face. They look like they're coming down too far. And when you put eyelashes on for the first time, they feel very heavy and unusual on your eyes. So a lot of people get discouraged by that, but you do get used to that, and eyelashes done the right way make a huge difference. So don't give up yet. Okay, I'm going to take this one off, and you just pull them off like that. It's very easy to do. And here is the magic trick. You don't put the end of the lash towards where the end of your eye finishes. That's what makes it droopy, and that's what makes us look older. What you do is you put the long part of the lash before the end of your eyelashes. And I'll draw a diagram so that you can see exactly where. And measure it out first, because it might be a little bit too long for your eyes this way. So to counteract that, you can cut a section from the inner eye to make it fit your eye properly. You measure this up on yourself now. Take it to the inside of the outer eyelash, place it, and then see where this end bit finishes. And then I can see that I'll need to just chop up 2 little bits of lash there. So my trusty scissors, snip that off, and see I've just got rid of that much. And then I'm going to try again for a much better result. These are the exact same eyelashes, but this eye is giving me a lift, and this eye is bringing me down and making me look droopy. And this looks really nice, and I'd be super happy to go out with my eyelashes like this. But with this, I would feel self-conscious the whole time. So I'm going to pull this one off now. And I'll snip that in again, the same amount that I did on the other eye. A reminder that it can look equally as silly if it's too long on the inner part of the eye. You've got to get them the right length. Okay, so I have that now, and I'm going to add a bit more glue, and I'm going to try again. Ooh la la, they look so much better. My eyes have an instant lift compared to this picture where my eyes are all droopy and sad. And I did just tweak them using my tweezers to get them into place and push them down a little bit. So all I did was push them into place with the point of my tweezers, just to make sure that they're fully glued down. These are amazing. I found these on Amazon. Very inexpensive, Tweezer Guru. And another tip for you, if you get eyelash extensions, the same rule applies. Don't get a heavy extension at the end of your lashes, because it pulls your eyes down and it makes mature eyes look older. So this heavy weight at the end of our eye just drags us down. So keep it up. So in and up, always the rule. And why not look glamorous over 50, over 60, over 70, over 80? Look how easy it is. And it doesn't cost much. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this tip. Please share it with your friends who have droopy eyes from bad eyelashes. And subscribe to Fabulous 50s if you haven't already, because I would love to have you here. Now, the next thing to do is to check out this video and this video, because it's more quick tips. They're fast, they're easy. They make you look younger and feel better. So please enjoy. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful day.